Hi friends, welcome to our channel iSmartKast. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Today we brought you an interesting video about the usage of car lights. Let's get into the video. Let's see how to use the side indicators. You can see a signal bar below the steering in the video. So initially the signal bar will be in a neutral position. So to use the right indicators, press the lever down so that it will blink both front and rear right indicators as shown in the video. You can see the same in the dashboard whether it is on or off. So turn it off, bring the signal bar back to the neutral position. And to use the left indicators, press the lever up from the neutral position as shown. So it will blink both front and rear left indicators. So to turn it off, bring the signal bar back to the neutral position. And to use the parking indicators, press a special button which is there on the dashboard so that it will blink both front and rear parking indicators. So the typical part of the video is usage of headlight controls and adjustments. So to use the headlights, rotate the lever one step up to switch on the basic beam. So you can see the basic beam is switched on. And to use the low beam while driving, turn the lever one more step, it will blink the low beam. So how to use the high beam? To turn on the high beam for driving, push the lever down by keeping in the same position as previous. So it will blink the high beam. So to turn off the lights, bring the pointer back to the off position. And how to use the pass lights? So to use the pass light, press the lever up and down as shown in the video. So it will blink the pass lights as shown. And how to use the fog lamps? So there is a special button in the dashboard. You just need to press that. It will turn on the fog lamps. So while driving, you just want to adjust the level of the light beam. Rotate this part of the lever to the desired position to adjust the position of the light beam. So you can see in the video when I put that in the step 3, the light beam is going down. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel.